Hey guys, I'm Joe from American Trucks, and today I'm going to be reviewing and installing the Recon smoked LED third brake light fitting all 09 to 18 Ram 1500s. Now this is going to be great for the Ram owner that's looking to improve the look of the third brake light with some smoked LEDs for an extremely reasonable price. This is going to feature an awesome smoke lens that looks pretty sleek even when the brake lights and cargo lights are off. And when you step on the brakes, you're going to get 3 red LEDs right in the middle, and when you turn on the cargo lights, you're going to get 6 vertical bars that surround the 3 in the middle, with the 3 vertical bars on either side. Now you're going to get an awesome smoked lens that looks sleek and cool even when the brake lights or cargo lights are not on. Now one thing I personally really like about this kit from Recon is it comes with a pre-installed anti-flicker box. So you might be asking, what is anti-flicker, sometimes referred to as hyper flashing? Well, the LEDs in lights like these and tail lights as well use such a little amount of power that the computer in the truck will sometimes think that they're burnt out, and they'll either hyper flash or flicker sometimes. This thing comes with an anti-flicker box built in, like I said, and that is basically a resistor that's going to trick your computer, but not really, into thinking that the lights aren't burnt out. And it's going to make sure that the brightness of the light stays nice and steady and constant. Now, if smoke isn't your thing, we also offer this identical brake light with a clear lens too. Feel free to check that out on our site. Pricing for the Recon smoked LED third brake light is going to be around $100. Now that's not a bad price to pay, especially what you get for return on investment in the looks department. Install is going to be pretty easy as well. It's just a couple Phillips head screws, and that anti-flicker box is going to be mounted using some double-sided 3M automotive grade tape. So I'm going to give it a 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter. Should take you around 15 minutes, half an hour to get it installed. So without any further ado, let me show you how it's done. The only tool required for this install is going to be a Phillips head screwdriver. Like I said, this is going to be pretty simple. We're going to start by removing the 2 Phillips head screws that are holding on our third brake light. And keep these Phillips head screws handy because we are going to be using them to reinstall our new third brake light. And the last step to remove our factory brake light is to push down on this little tab at the top of this harness here, and it clips right off. So with our factory third brake light off the truck, I just wanted to take a second to highlight some of the major differences. As you can see, we're ditching this old school red lens with the reflector housings underneath and these old school halogen light bulbs inside in exchange for a smoked lens and an awesome, reliable LED design out back. So you've seen what they look like next to each other on the table, so let's get this installed and I'll show you what it looks like when we get it plugged in. Before we install our new light, we do have to attach a little ballast to this inside metal strip right here. So I'm gonna take some quick detailer on a rag and polish that up quick, just to ensure that never comes loose. And I'm also gonna hit around the outside edge of the light as well, just to make sure we get a good seal. Now this ballast here comes with some double-sided 3M tape on it, and we're gonna mount that approximately right there. With the ballast installed, all that's left to do is plug in our new harness and reinstall the light with the 2 Phillips head screws we removed earlier. And that is going to do it for my review and install of the Recon smoked LED third brake light fitting all 09 to 18 Ram 1500s. Keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.